Fáilte Ash, welcome back. Agus Fáilte Gadeen and Fisho, welcome to this video. This is our Irish pronunciation guide, part 2, so how to pronounce the Irish language on Gaelic. I'll link part 1 up here as a card so that you can check that one too. That was all about how to pronounce our vowels, and especially our vowels with accents in the Irish language. And in this video, we're going to look at some diphthongs, which are our vowels when they come together. If these, first of all, do check down below. We have Irish for Complete Beginners starting soon, so you can pop your name in the waitlist. And if you're watching this later, it may already be available, so check down below in the description. Now, in the Irish language, especially when it comes to our names, when I lived abroad, our names in Irish confuse people a lot because we have a lot of vowels, and that's one of the feedback I used to get. There's so many vowels coming together and people are confused about how to pronounce that. So we're going to look at all of these words here, and we're going to look at how to pronounce these and these vowels when they come together. So a diphthong, we have them in Irish, but we have them in English as well, and it's when two vowels come together to make a new sound. So a handy analogy is like when you mix two colours and you get a brand new colour. So we're going to have two vowels together that make a brand new sound. Now we do have these in English. So for example, in the word pear in English, we don't hear the A and the I. So it's not pa-ear, it's pear. So the AI come to make this a pear sound. So we have the exact same thing in Irish, and we're going to look first of all at our AI. Now it's an important, very important disclaimer that in Irish there are 3 dialects: Ulster Irish, Munster Irish and Connacht Irish. We also have a standard Irish as well on Kaizen that we use in print and media. And across the dialects, words are pronounced different. So although this is a pronunciation guide, words may sound different in different dialects. But we have amazing resources online. We have oper.ie, folklore.ie and changlin.ie, 2 dictionaries and 1 pronunciation database that will help you with the pronunciation of words across the different dialects. And if you are new to the Irish language or you're a beginner, it is cool to type in the words and hear them in the different dialects and hear how they're slightly different. So let's continue with our general guide here. So this AI in Ballia town is pronounced Ballia. Ballia. So this AI becomes like an O sound. Ballia. Ballia. Ballia town. Ballia. And then in girl, it has a similar O sound, this AW sound. Colleen. Colleen. Girl. Colleen. Colleen. And then even though we have an A father here, similar AW sound. Posta. 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 Now the father over the A does make it long anyway. Posta. And then milk. Banya. 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 And then Gordzine. Gordzine. Now I put this in to show you that the AI here is more like an O sound, Gordzine, but it is followed by an OR. Gordzine. Gordzine. So this OR here does affect our vowels. Often in Irish, the consonant that comes before or after these vowels will change them as well. So we had Ballia, Ballia, town. Colleen, Colleen, girl. Posta, Posta, child. Banya, Banya, milk. And Gordzine, Gordzine, garden. Now I have a fun little task for you. I want you to use this resource changlin.ie, which is a dictionary, but it has an amazing pronunciation database. I want you to go to changlin.ie and go to the pronunciation. So you're going to click the pronunciation tab. I will link this down below for all of these words. So if you don't want to type it in, you can go to the description. You can type on each one of these words, and it's going to take you to the pronunciation page for the word. And you're going to be able to listen to it in each of the different dialects and hear how it sounds. So you're going to type in the Irish word for coffee. You're going to type in the Irish word for fun, the Irish word for good, and the Irish word for Galway. So you can click those links down below, have a listen in each of the dialects, and hear how this AI is pronounced in each of these words. Tá súlam go on to Tanavas. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a little bit more insight into Irish pronunciation. While it is tricky to give a general guide because there are different dialects and sounds are very heavily influenced by what comes before and after them and in which dialect they're spoken, but I hope that it gave you a little bit of a general guide into how our vowels work and our diphthongs. Do check out that beginner waitlist below and all the free resources that we have. Agus feicimé sa gcéad ceann eile thu. I'll see you in the next one. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.